Good day everyone. My name is Janmar Dayondon from Section RS1. This is my video presentation about an argument essay, title of the influence of K-pop on the original Pinoy music on the youth. The dynamic world of Pinoy music has given rise to a new force that goes across the boundaries and captures the young hearts of people. K-pop's undeniable influences, separating the subtleties of this cross-cultural musical discourse, become essential. As the beats of Korean pop music permeate our local sounds, this event, which is typified by the surge in K-pop popularity around the world, has significant effects on both original Pinoy music scene and artistic expressions of young Filipinos. Filipino youth's musical preferences have been changed by the infusion of K-pop elements into Pinoy music. K-pop has brought in new wave of sounds and genres, redefining the aura palette that appeals to the younger generation. It is more than just copying. It is a dynamic fusion that captures the shifting preferences and international influences that shaped the early Pinoy music. Song collaboration. The blending of genres is evident in collaboration between Filipino musician and K-pop group. One such instance is the recent partnership between well-known musician and a well-known K-pop group. Trend streaming. The study of trend streaming data shows that K-pop songs are becoming more and more popular among Filipino listeners, which suggests that K-pop has a big influence on local music taste. Second, Pinoy music have incorporated dance, choreography, and visual aesthetic from K-pop, which have influenced artistic expression of young Filipinos. K-pop's visually appeal, which is typified by elaborate dance routines and visual striking aesthetics, has permeated Pinoy music videos. This is combination not only improves the orientation has been shaped by cross-cultural influences. YouTube trends. A shift of audience towards taste visually appealing materials is indicated by the increase of views of Pinoy music that incorporate dance inspired by K-pop. Impact on social media. Filipino fans' imitation of K-pop dance challenges on social media platform demonstrate the direct influence on local dance culture. All of these are some reasons why K-pop has affected Pinoy music among young Filipinos, emphasizing how the genre has changed as a result of phenomena. K-pop has changed how the people view aesthetic, redefined the musical taste, and changed the language of poetry. This manually beneficial partnership illustrates a larger story of cross-cultural exchange, societal change, and the youth for today's global connectedness. The study promotes the cross-border exploration, innovation, and collaboration among artists, thereby enhancing the liveliness of music industry and adding global mosaic. In addition, as a Filipino youth increasingly embrace K-pop elements, there is a risk of diluting the rich cultural cultural noises that define OPM. The negative effects manifest in a potential loss of authenticity, urging stakeholders to carefully navigate this cross-cultural musical landscape to preserve the music essence of Pinoy music